Today, boys and girls, I want to show you how to open a combination lock. If you can do this, this will take some of the stress away and some of the first day jitters when you go to middle school. So first, you're going to have to purchase a combination lock. And I found this one in a dollar store in my hometown. You go to Walmart, look in the hardware section. You can go to the Dollar Tree in the dollar store and find you a combination lock. Now, when you look on the back, you will find the 3-digit code. Now, the code for this combination lock is 222. And also, it gives you instructions on what to do. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this. And when my granddaughter first started going to middle school, she was nervous about opening her locker. So we bought her a lock and she practiced all summer. And she was able to do this and also able to show her friends how to do it. If you can open up one lock, you can open any. Okay, so let's take a look, see what you need to do. If you look on the lock, there is a groove or an indentation in the middle of the lock. That's where you will stop with your numbers. So the first thing you have to do is turn this dial about 3 times. Okay? Then stop on the first number, the combination, which is 2. I'm going to pause. Then I'm going to turn to the left, go past the number, and then I'll rotate around, come back to the number, stop at 20, and then go back to the number 2. And hopefully it will open. Okay? So then to lock it, you push this shackle down. So there's only 3 steps you have to do. You go to right, left, right. That's all you have to do. Let's do it one more time. I'm going to spin it around 3 times. Then we go to the right and stop on the number 2. Then I'm going to go past the second number completely. Then find it. Pause on 20. Then go to number 2 again. And it unlocks. So if you can practice this, I guarantee you this will take away some of those jitters that you will have the first day when you go to middle school. And like I said, if you can open this lock, you will be able to open any lock. So get that lock and make sure you practice.